Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a transition between clips or page in your Canva video design. So I have this video project that has 3 different clips, and between each clip there is no transition whatsoever. If I click on the thumbnail view and click on duration, and if I play the video, you will see that there is no transition between clips. And even though it's okay, but if you want to make the video to be slightly more interesting, then you might want to add some transition between clips. So it's going to make the whole video a lot smoother and the experience is better. So here's how you can add that. First, of course, you have to click on basically you have to open this thumbnail view and then the duration view, the one that I'm seeing right now. And after that, you want to hover the cursor above the area between one clip and between 2 clips, and you will see this option that says add transition. You can click on it, and then here you will see some preset animation that you can use as a video transition. I'm going to select the one that I think this is the most interesting one. Let's try color wipe. And here you can customize the duration, the direction, the color as well, which is very interesting. And lastly, you can apply that to all pages. If you have a video with a lot of clips, then you don't want to manually add the transition, then you can select this option. So basically it will be applied to every transition or every gap between clips in your Canva video project. And this is the result. If I click the video, you'll see this amazing transition between one clip and another. Okay, that's pretty cool. There's a little bit of buffering there, but that's basically it. That's how you can insert a transition between clips in Canva. I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.